So we're gonna go to the first step, which is creating a tag. Here I am in Convertkit. Remember, I do not have the free plan. I'm actually using the upgraded plan. And what I wanna do is create a tag. So let's go back to the example of the 50% off sale, right? Because we're gonna be creating a landing page for anyone who's interested in the 50% off sale, we wanna create a tag that matches that landing page. So first of all, let me show you how to create a tag. You go right here where it says tags, you click create a tag, and don't create a tag like Banana Man Fun. That doesn't really define what the group is. So what we want to actually say in the tag, we want it to be descriptive. So anytime we see this tag, we know where they came from and why they're here. So I'm gonna use this tag, 50% off, interested. Right. So 50% off interested landing page. So interested means that they signed up because they're interested in the 50% off sale, right? And landing page. So I know where it actually came from. It came from the landing page. So now I can save that. And when I say that, you're gonna see that tag is now here at the bottom right, 50% off interested landing page. So that was the first step, create a tag. We created a tag, and now we're gonna move on to step number 2.